Hey, this video is on Stripe's payment links versus custom Stripe checkout code. My name is Adam. I'm the founder of Paid Members app. We are a Stripe verified partner, and I'll link to our website in the notes below this video. So what is the difference between a payment link and writing custom Stripe checkout code? So let me show you an example on a live website. So we have some buttons here, and these are all made with hundreds of lines of code with custom Stripe checkout code. And if I click on one of these buttons, it opens up a Stripe checkout session so your customers can make a payment. And also down here, I have a button, and this is just a payment link. Now let me click on the subscription payment link, and if I click on that, same thing happens. It just opens up a checkout link. So you accomplish kind of the same end, but one has hundreds of lines of code. So let me show you this. So on the back end, if I click on one of these buttons, you can see we make it with a bunch of HTML. So it's like many lines of code that either you have a developer write, or you can use an app like Paid Members app and we write the code for you. But now with Stripe payment links, let me click on this button right here. You can click on link and you can see it's just one little link. And what's cool about that is you can use that for a button, or you could put that link in an email, or you can even use text. I have some lorem ipsum text, and you can just link and put in that custom link. So let me show you how that works. So if you are in your Stripe account, if you click on settings also, as of last week, today is March 14th, 2022, Stripe just sent out an email and they now support 20 plus payment methods. So if you click on payment methods in your Stripe account, basically any payment method, anything you have here, you can now use as of last week with Stripe payment links. This was one of the kind of weaknesses of Stripe payment links. You just couldn't do everything that you could do with Stripe custom code. That's still the case, but less and less as Stripe releases more features. So let's make a payment link. So what I'm going to do is just search for payment links, and you can see under payments, payment links. If you click there, I'm going to make a new payment link, and you'll see this beautiful user interface where Stripe shows you what the checkout session will look like on the right. So I'm going to choose this ABC box of widgets, which is $99. And as soon as I click on that, you'll see the preview on the right change. And you'll see now I have Alipay and Klarna and WeChat Pay. So if you want to use like a buy now, pay later method like Klarna or Afterpay, you could do that. And you can see that your customers can use a credit card, but also all these other forms of payment. And by checking a box, you'll see how checkout changes. So I'm going to check allow promotion codes, and you'll see a beautiful preview of how Stripe will add an add promotion code field to your checkout session. So why don't we go ahead and create this link? And instead of having a developer write hundreds of lines of code, you just get this link. So I'm just going to copy this link, and let's go into my website builder. I'm just going to drag in a button. So whatever website builder you're using, just create a button, however your native website builder works. I'm going to center it, and let's say button text. Let's say subscribe. Okay, and now we have a subscribe button, and I'm going to click on again and click link website URL, and I paste that in, and I'm going to publish right now. And here I am on the published website, and if I click on that subscribe button, it's as easy as that. So it takes like 20 seconds instead of having a developer code all this. And here's that beautiful promotion code field, and you can see all the different payment methods that I have. And also something cool you could do is, let's say at the end of this lorem ipsum block, let's say I want to put a subscribe link. So you just write the word subscribe. I'm going to highlight that and link it and go to website URL and paste in that link. And here's that link right there. So it's just a text link, but if I click on it, it'll open up a payment session. So what's cool about that is you can put it in an email or just use it on your website, and you don't have to use a button. So what are some things that you can do with custom code that you can't do with payment links? Well, sometimes Stripe, for example, with a one-time payment link, isn't creating a customer account, it's creating a guest, and that makes it harder to use things like Stripe Customer Portal because there needs to be a customer created. So there's certain times that you might want to use custom code rather than payment links. In Paid Members app, we now allow payment links, or you can create custom code, a one-time payment button code or a subscription payment button code. So if you've turned on payment links, we will listen for payment links that are created in your account. So you just go and use Stripe's user interface to create the payment link, or you can go and click on either one-time payment or subscription, and you can create custom code. Basically for that, you just give us all the options you want. We have various advanced options as well. And then we will write the custom Stripe checkout code for you, and you just copy that code and embed it into your website, and then it'll look like one of these buttons on top. So whether you want to use payment links or custom Stripe checkout code, we've got you covered with Paid Members app. That was a demonstration of Stripe payment links and custom Stripe checkout code and the benefits and trade-offs with using each.